Red wireless locks are an easy and economical way to manage doors on a site in situations where strike cutting is impractical, mag locks are unsuitable, or wired handle sets are cost prohibitive. Installing a Red Series cylindrical or deadbolt lock set requires a few components which must be accounted for early in the design process. First, a cloud node is required. Second, a Red hub will be necessary to communicate wirelessly through the locks through HubNet. Given the wireless nature of these locks, additional care must be taken to ensure that the materials and wireless environment of the area do not interfere with the wireless communications of the hub. Additionally, the hub will communicate an average of 100 feet to a maximum of 16 locks. This may mean that you will need to bring multiple hubs online. Fortunately, the locks are not restricted to communication on a single hub, so they will communicate with whichever hub is closest and most readily available. From there, any expansion simply requires additional hubs and/or additional locks. Now you're one step closer to completing your PDK system design. Head over to the next video in the series to learn what comes next.